Welcome to the first of a series of tutorials on the Millennium Parent Portal. To access the portal, type in the following web address into your chosen web browser. Your username and password were sent to the family email registered with the school, and login details were also included in the Year 7 to 9 interim report packages. When you log in, the home page will look similar to this. You can customize the view by clicking and dragging each of the functions on the home screen. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of functions that form part of the Millennium package. Some of these are not used by the school or not available in the parent portal. The classes function allows you to view your child's classes and their teachers. You can print or view your child's timetable. In the reports function, you can print interim reports, and as Semester 1 and Semester 2 reports are published, you can print them and view them through this function. When you click on attendance, you will see a summary of your child's whole day and partial attendance and the reasons you have provided to the school. Student notices provide you with information shared to the parent portal, and finally the school calendar shows you upcoming school events. Each of these functions will be explained in some future tutorials. In this video, we'll look at the school calendar. The school calendar is displayed on a month-by-month basis. You can change the month by selecting the drop-down arrow. When you select one of the events, such as the P&C meeting, you will see further information. Here, you can see the P&C meeting is held on the dates listed between 7 to 9 p.m. in the staff room. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned for further updates.